I'm meteorologist Topper Shutt for the USAtoday.com. Well, here are the weather headlines for Wednesday. Dangerous winter storm moves east. Big snow in Chicago, at least through the morning on Wednesday. Snow heavy through Detroit and up into Albany. Major ice storm. I-70 around I-80 and up into I-84 through the Connecticut Valley. There will be snow to start, but then turning to ice. So check your batteries, fill your gas tank. We're talking major power outages and flight delays. In fact, look at the ice accumulation as we go through the day on Wednesday. Almost half an inch in Allentown, over a third of an inch in Danbury, almost a quarter inch in Hartford, and almost a quarter inch actually in New York City. So, this is going to be a major ice storm. Most of Pennsylvania, Connecticut Valley, and even on up into the Northeast, especially south of the Mass Pike. So it's not all snow. It will be a mixture of snow to start and then going over to freezing rain. Worst combination. By 9 o'clock in the morning Eastern Time, still some snows back into Chicago, but the heavy activity should be tapering off around noon Chicago time, and then just light snow for the rest of the day. Still pretty good snows in Detroit, though, at that hour. Notice the mix in through the Hudson River Valley and the Connecticut Valley. Most of the rain showers from D.C. southward will push on out to sea. Look at the snow back in New Mexico and West Texas. Dry on the West Coast. A great day out in the west. Very, very quiet. We'll take you into 8 o'clock on Thursday. We're looking at a little bit of snow in parts of the Northeast, some lake effect snows, but for the most part, the atmosphere kind of calming down and catching its breath. All right, we'll do some traveling. Wednesday, 49 in Seattle, 48 in Portland, but really nice days. We're talking sunshine really across the board. Down to San Francisco, sunshine 58, in the 60s in L.A., cold in Las Vegas, sunny and 45. It's going to be about 10 at night. 49 in Phoenix. You're looking at temperatures in the teens Wednesday night. Only 13 for a high in Albuquerque with snow. Snow in El Paso and 24. Only 10 in Denver, but sunny. 12 in Bismarck, 8 in Minneapolis. Snow, again, heavy through the noon hour in Chicago, and then just light snow for the rest of the day. If you're flying into O'Hare or Midway, you need to call ahead because tons of flights will be canceled. 8 in Kansas City, some light snow in St. Louis as well, and some light snow ending in Lexington, Kentucky. Dallas, 20 degrees for a high. Too bad the Super Bowl wasn't last week when it was 80. It's going to be cold. If you're traveling to Dallas for the Super Bowl, bundle up. It's not going to be a treat, really. 37 in San Antonio, on the 40s, all the way down to Houston and New Orleans. Jackson only 40. Here's the place to be. Yeah, you got some thunderstorms, but at least you're 83 in Orlando and 80 in Miami. 43 in Miami, some thunderstorms in Charleston. That should end by probably 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and also some showers and rain in Greensboro should end by afternoon. I think 55 might be overdone in D.C., but we're looking at most of the rain ending in D.C. probably around lunchtime or shortly thereafter. Get up into Philly, it's ice. Get up into New York, it's snow, then ice. Get up into Boston, it is snow and then ice. All snow in Burlington, all snow in Albany, and all snow back into Buffalo. This is going to be quite the storm. I'm meteorologist Topper Shutt for the USAtoday.com.